At DePaula, we offer a large variety of options when it comes to your vehicle. One of these services is what we call the 24-karat detailing special. We begin with a special chemical on your tires to remove any ingrained dirt or brake dust. Next, the outside of your vehicle is scrubbed and cleaned with a protective cleaner and wax using a scratch-free brush. Your detailer will then proceed to remove any excess water to avoid water spots before hand drying to retain your vehicle's shine. Now for the inside. Start by removing your mats and begin a thorough cleaning of your carpets and seats. After being vacuumed, your seats and upholstery will be shampooed, cleaned, and deodorized. If you have leather seats, they will be conditioned, disinfected, and cleaned with a special chemical to protect your seats. We'll then follow up with things such as your dashboard, center consoles, and instrument panels. We'll finish up with those mats and finally your windows to get them crystal clear. We cover all bases to ensure your vehicle looks just as good as the day you bought it. So schedule your detailing today at DePaula.com.